Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna be creating Kirby Karate. Creating the armature. Creating the body. For this creation, I'm using papasclay. Creating the hands. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you like it. Creating the shoes using red clay. This was the first bake. Now I'm creating the eyes. Creating the eyebrows, getting all the details, creating the bandana, and getting ready for another bake. Creating the eye details. Now that everything is baked, it's easier to add the different details and carve any detail that needs to be done. Let me know if you like it. The eyes details. Looking good, huh? Now let's create the bandana details. To create the star, I don't have a mold that is that small, so I just create one and start cutting pieces. More details. Again, since it's already baked, I can carve the details on it and it will look better. Creating the mouth. Creating the cheeks. And ready for the final bake. Let me know in the comments if you like it. Stay to the end so you can see the other creations. Let me know in the comments if you want me to make something else. And thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like the video, let me know by hitting that like button. If this is your first time here and you like this type of content, consider subscribing to the channel for more. And check out the channel for my other creations. See you on the next video.